When finding a reliable roofing company in Newton, North Carolina, look no further than Hallman Roofing. Our commitment to quality and excellence has made us a trusted name in the roofing industry. At Hallman Roofing, we understand that a sturdy roof is crucial for your peace of mind. We specialize in roof replacement and repair services that stand the test of time. With over a decade of experience, our skilled team of professionals is dedicated to ensuring your roof is in top-notch condition. We take pride in being the roofing company Newton, North Carolina, homeowners and businesses rely on. When you choose Hallman Roofing, you're choosing a team that values honesty and integrity. We are committed to providing transparent pricing and delivering results that exceed your expectations. Your roof is in good hands with us, the premier roofing company in Newton, North Carolina. Don't leave your roof to chance, trust Hallman Roofing for all your roofing needs. Have a roofing emergency? Call us at 828-999-2929 for prompt assistance. Visit our website at hallmanroofing.com/location/Newton-NC-roof-replacement-and-repair to learn more about our services. When you choose Hallman Roofing, you're choosing quality, reliability, and a commitment to your satisfaction. Hallman Roofing, where quality meets roofing excellence in Newton, North Carolina.